Hi guys, good morning and welcome back to my channel. um I'm so exhausted, but I have a lot to do today. I want to start by cleaning my machine because I have laundry to do. Then today is Sunday. I need to get ready for the week. Yeah, so I did my hair yesterday, and wow, sorry. I've been having a flu for the past 2 weeks, but today I'm better. So I decided to do locks, artificial. They are called artificial dreadlocks, if I'm not wrong. I don't know much about locks. My scalp has been imekuwa uchungu. Like, I didn't even know pregnancy can affect even your scalp. So even doing blow dry I couldn't. Doing these locks yesterday was so painful, extremely painful, because I had the twists, the natural twists. So I removed them. Then the person who was doing my hair, actually it's a man, and he did a good job. So I'm in kidogo pain, but this is better. I've been too lazy to go to the salon. I think this year I've braided my hair. This is the second time. I did a knotless, then now this. The rest I've been like twisting my hair by myself. So I couldn't, because sometimes I get tired, and yeah. So this will serve me for like 6 months. Of course, I'll be doing the retouch and all that. Yeah. So that's how it looks. I'll attach a photo here for you guys. Yeah, so I want to clean the machine. It's so dirty. It's been like 5 months and it has not been cleaned. So let me show you how dirty it looks. Let me show you exactly what I mean. Yeah, here you can see this is the soap department. Oh my goodness, so embarrassing, so just see, look at that. And I noticed it started dirtifying my clothes. I was taking some water. Yeah, so I noticed it started dirtifying my clothes, and especially the whites. So I had to just clean it. So I wanted to show you guys. You see, this is the effect of using powder soap. So this is why I stopped using powder soap. You see, this is the way it accumulates, and in nature these are stains. So this is how your girl has been lazy to clean. But today hakuna kuhepa. So let's check the tab. Can you see? Can you see? uh Guys, I'm bending and I'm kind of straining. So hii yote ni uchafu, and I know even down here is worse. Yeah, so I even have dirty clothes here. I want to clean this up because this is so shameful. I'm even ashamed. This is bad. So let's clean. I want to show you the things I'm going to use to clean the machine. So I normally clean using a liquid soap. So this is what I'm going to use. And I also use vinegar, but currently I don't have vinegar and I can't go to the supermarket like now to get vinegar. So this is by soda cabinet. Yeah, I'm going to use like the whole of it. Yeah. Then you give it a nice tap with some hot water of the uchafu that is inside. Yeah, so let's start cleaning. So guys, as you've seen, I added the liquid soap into a basin and added some water with it. I normally start with the soap compartment to clean off. This place was so hard, and it's because currently bending down is an issue for me, but I tried and it was so dirty. I couldn't even believe uh all the dirt that was inside there, but I tried my best to clean it up, and it turned out really well. So I'm going to like scrub this part first, then I move to the tab tub, then down to where I don't know what's the name of that part, like a small part, like down there. You'll see it here. So I'm also going to use this brush to scrub the inside of that compartment area, because I can't use the scrub that I'm using, can't get in there to remove the whole of the dust that is occupied in that place. So I'll use this brush that we no longer use to shower. This brush is used in the bathroom. Then I'll also use the small brush, the one that we use to brush our teeth, that we don't use. Those really work well for me.
Because let's start over now. Rewind. And I won't let you go. I need you by my side.
So I messed up by leaving this machine for like, I think it's 6 months. Haven't cleaned it this year, and we are in July, so that makes it 6 months because that's half of the year. And there's that part that you see I'm trying to scrub right there, trying to insert the brush. That part had a lot of dirt, and you can see it looks like mud. Anyway, but I managed. I just picked the red cloth you see, tried to insert it inside there, then pushed it with the brush down to help at least suck out the dirt that was inside there. Please guys, take care of your machines, because this one of mine, if it had decided to stop working, I would blame it on myself. But again, I was having a rough time. I couldn't even clean, so I was forced to clean it now, because I noticed my whites are no longer coming out whites, and that is why in the previous video you saw I did hand washing of the white clothes that I had. I did hand washing, and that was a bit tiresome because bending right now is kind of hectic. So after scrubbing this area, it turned out really well. You can see, you can't spot the soap residue that was left there, and I told you guys that is why I stopped using the powder soap, because I felt like if it can accumulate itself in that soap compartment, now imagine in the rest areas, because the machine is wide, there are places that you can't see with your eyes until it's dismantled, or until it's opened. Yeah, so that is why I stopped using that and moved to the liquid soap. um Maybe if you want to use it, I think it's best if you pour it in the tub itself, like the drum. Why am I saying tub? In the drum, the one that you see I'm scrubbing there, I'd rather pour it inside there than use the liquid soap at the soap compartment. Yeah, you guys have seen it, I'm not lying. Okay, so that is how that bladder accumulated a lot of dirt. And once this is dirty, the clothes will definitely come out dirty. Then there's a thin area between the rubber and the what between the rubber and the drum. It's a thin layer. I don't know how to explain best, but that part I found has had a lot of dirt, and that definitely answered my questions as to why my clothes were coming out dirty, because you're supposed to clean your machine at least once a month. That is per the prescription, or when you buy it, that's what you are told. Yeah, but now you can see this one of mine. Uh, imekula 6 months dry wash. So yeah, so I'm going to scrub this area, then we'll move to the next part. This video is all about cleaning your machines. If you don't know how to go about it, I think this can help. And I'm using simple products, I'm not using anything complicated. So I hope this will help someone somewhere.
I'm on my last straw. I'm broken and I'm woken up. I'm done feeling your lies. I've had enough. I can't run your place in this faulty game. No. And all the words you speak mean nothing more to me. 'Cause let's start over now. Rewind. And I won't let you go. I need you by my side.
At this point, I was not even halfway done and I was tired. T for tired. So I had to sit down. I had to sit down so that I can be able to scrub this sijui inaitwa the door or what. Let me just call it the door. Yes. So I had to sit, scrub it well, because I didn't want to like come back to do this work again. And right now the energy is not there. So here I'm still using just some water and a liquid soap, nothing much. But they're like we have different products for cleaning your machines. So if you prefer buying them, well and good, that's good for you. But if you can't afford them, you can still just use some liquid soap. Any liquid soap you can just use and clean your machine. After all, the inside of the machine, that is the drum, you just add kidogo liquid soap, then you let it spin. There's a setting for drum wash. Is it drum wash or something like that? And that cleans itself well. So I don't have to stress about the drum. So for me, I've never used any product for the machine, for cleaning my machine. Like there are those specific ones, but uh I've never used them. Yeah, I've never bought them, and I'm not against them. It's just that sometimes I don't feel there's need for it. Yeah, but so long as your machine is clean, so long as your clothes come out clean, that is the only thing needed. So this is the part I was talking about, and this part had a lot. You can see hapo chini they are like cockroaches had entered this place. You see those two black things you see there, those are poops. Is it poops? I don't know much about cockroaches. So they did their job here. Actually, done and dusted. That part is done, and you can see all the dirt that was there. Thank God there's nothing that came through that place. So it's time to scrub the soap compartment. I hope I'm right. Yeah, so you can see iko na uchafu, like so bad. I'm just going to use the same liquid soap with the sponge, and I decided to add some warm water to get rid of the slippery. It was kind of slippery. Yeah, that part that I'm trying to show you guys had the effect of the powder soap. Okay, there's a way it just condenses itself in a shikana, then I don't know how to explain best. Yeah, but you had seen that already. So I'm also going to scrub this part, which took like a lot of minutes, because I wanted this thing to be as good as white, as new as white, the way it's supposed to be. I didn't want it to have any stain. At some point, you're going to see me using even a steel wool to make sure it goes back to the way it is supposed to be. Yeah. So the warm water really helped to like clean it off, and you can see that's the first wash, and like uchafu imetoka. So what's left is, you can see there are those parts that the sponge couldn't get in there to help me kusugua to remove the dirt. So I have this tiny brush. This one is for my straws. Yeah, so I had to use this one, and that means I have to look for another one. But it really helped to get into those tiny places that I couldn't reach with the sponge. At some point, I had to like pinch kidogo sponge, then put it on that brush so that I can be able to get into those areas. So guys, you can see how the toothbrush really comes in handy. There are those places you can't reach with your hands, so you need something to scrub it off, and you can see that's the work of this brush. It really helps. If you're cleaning your machine and you don't know how to get into those tiny places, just take a toothbrush, the one that definitely you're not using to brush your teeth, and it will help you. Just you'll thank me later, by the way. And also, if you can get yourself this tiny brush, the one that you use to clean our straws, it will also help. So the scrubbing is over, and now I want to rinse the machine. And since it had a bad smell and I don't have vinegar, I'm just going to use some fabric softener with water and a clean towel. That's why you see I brought like a clean water with that towel. That's the purpose of it. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but if there's a part I didn't put much concentration, is the drum, that is the inside of the machine. That is because that part cleans itself automatically. Once you'll set the drum clean settings, it goes with the temperature at 95 degrees temperature, and that will help to get rid of that is there. That is why you've not seen me concentrating that much on that part. So the last thing to clean is this thing. I don't know how it's called, but it was so slippery. I almost even puked washing this one because of what was accumulated there. It has like a slimy taste when you just touch it. A slimy what? Feel, not taste, a slimy feel when you hold it. But the brush also helped here. So after removing the dirt, I will add the liquid soap, as you can see, then scrub it well, and then I'll put it back, and that's it. So the last thing to do is to clean, to wipe the machine, the exterior part of the machine. I wish I had the machine, is it called the machine bag? Is it the bag? I don't know the right, how it's called. I don't know if it's a bag or what, something like that. The one that covers it from outside. I wish I had that, because we put a lot of things on this machine. Like, this has become like our dumping area. You come with keys there, you come with your phone there, what there. So I've been thinking to get that, but currently haven't been able to go to Nairobi, because that is where I've searched where I stay and I haven't found, and I don't want to order online. I just want to, I've heard that there are different types of the bags, so I need to see and touch, feel the difference, by that is by texture, so that I can know which one I will get. Maybe if I'll be able to go to Nairobi, I will look for one either in Isili or Kamukunji, because that is the places that I've checked online and seen they sell. Yeah. So I didn't use nothing special. I used nothing special. That spray is just the window and glass cleaner, Sufficient window and glass cleaner. Yeah, that is what I used to wipe it off. And at this point, I was satisfied because it had a good smell. It was clean. I tried and did laundry after the cleanup, and the clothes turned out well, because that was my main concern. Once my clothes are clean, that's it. That is why I bought this thing, to clean my clothes. So when they're coming out dirty, that means something is wrong. So if you have a machine na kuna venye your clothes are coming out dirty, it's either you're not using the correct settings per the clothes of the color, or the texture, if I'm not wrong, or either your machine is just dirty. So that's the behind of the machine. As you can see, I also wiped it down, and you can see down there where it was so dirty. That place had things. So that's the last thing to do. Then we'll set it to spin and clean the drum. So I decided to put this white material here. I don't know, it's not a towel, it's just a material I have to help, because I don't want the top part to be scratched. Then that is by soda carbonate. I'll add it to the drum. That helps clean the drum. And also I'll add some liquid soap with fabric softener. And that is how I clean my machine. If you have more questions, you can ask me in the comment section. If I'm able to answer, I will answer. Also, I'm open to suggestions. If there's something you've seen me doing wrong, it's always another day to learn, so you can also tell me in the comment section. I'm free to take in your suggestions because I haven't had this machine for the longest time, so maybe there's something I've done wrong. And yeah, so thank you for watching. I hope this video has helped someone somewhere. And that was basically it. Nothing much. For me, my machine is clean. I'll let it spin for a while for the 1 hour 10 minutes, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and let's meet on the next one. Goodbye.